Remember vowels? The letter A is a vowel, and it can make different sounds. It can make the short A sound, like an apple, or it can make the long A sound, like an ape. An ape eating an apple. The letter E is a vowel. It can make the short E sound, like an egg, or it can make the long E sound, like an eel. An eel painting an egg. Now it's my turn. The letter I is a vowel, and it can make different sounds. It can make the short I sound, like in the word insect, one of my favorite things. Or it can make the long I sound, like an ice cream. An insect eating an ice cream. The letter O is a vowel. It can make the short ah sound, like an octopus. Or it can make the long O sound, like an ocean. An octopus swims in the ocean. But I swim in the pool. The letter U is a vowel fit for a princess. It can make the short U sound, like in the word underwear. Or it can make the long U sound, like in unicorn and flute. A unicorn in underwear playing the flute.